Today's video is going to be on the branding tool that you're going to get whenever you're taking and get the branding tool. I'm going to give you a run through on how to work it, what to fill in and what how to set it up and everything. This is the tool that you're going to be downloading. This is what it's going to look like. The reason why I'm making this video is the way the tool's set up. The help menu up here is only going to help the your customers out, your clients, your affiliates out on how to work their tool once they get that. And their tool is going to be just like it's there. This is going to be their tool. They're going to get that download. It won't be the same page in that, but we'll get to that later on. So what I've decided to do is make this video up showing you how to get to make that tool up so you can give it to your customers. Now what I've done was I've already took and made up went through and took and set up the tool so that you'd be able to see what's going on. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to load it up because I've already saved it. So now it's populated. Okay, the application name I used, and this is only for a demonstration wise. Like I say, it's going to be blank. This is what you're going to be putting in here. Whatever you decided to name the tool, that's what you're going to be putting in. I just went ahead and used this. Like I said, this is a test so I can show you on the video what it looks like. And I use your banner. Same way down here when you have the setup. This is the setup software that's going to set up the software for your customers to use. And I took and put in low cap and put everything together because there are sometimes people forget to capitalize whatever, use the first letter in each word, or they have a space in between there, and then they end up getting an error. So this way here, they don't have to worry about it. It's all together. They just download it. Now for the skins, there's two ways of putting the skins in here. This is going to be what your customers going to see on their computer, on their desktop. Now I give you the skins, I give you the icons for you to be able to select. Now best thing to do for you to do is to download all this stuff here on the hard drive, and this make it easier for you to be able to find it. Now you can put it in other folders just to keep track of where you put it at, because you're going to have to go and search for it. So if I make a selection here, there's nothing in it. I have to go and get the information for the software, which I have put there on the my desktop, which is the branding tool directory folder. Now you can't use this down here. This is for the internal folders. This is an external folder. So what you're going to have to do, you're going to have to right click on it to open it up. And then inside that folder is going to be the directory icons and skins that you're going to be using. And what you have to do the same way to open that up. Sometimes it takes a few clicks to get it open up. Sometimes it gets stubborn and it's fine to open up. Depends on your computer. Some of them, just like mine, most of the time that will open up right away. But every now and then it gets a little tacky, and so you have to play around with it. But just keep clicking it, it'll eventually open up. And inside of it is going to be all your skins. Over here, going to show you what it's going to look like. This is what the customer, your customers or your clients or affiliate is going to see. This is going to be their tool that's going to be whatever you select is going to look like for them. And same way with the icons. Now you're going to have to do the same thing. You're going to have to go and go search for it on the desktop. Once you get find out where the folder's at, then you just click on it and open it up. And same way, there's the icon. See how quick that opened up? You know, like I say, sometimes it gets a little stubborn. There's your icons. You can select the icons. Now, when I took and make this up, I took and used the icon, the weather icon, to so I can be able to show you what your customer's going to see. This is going to be the icon right here, that what your customers see. And this is right here is the icon. This is what your customer is going to get. This is the installment software that's going to install the software for your customers to use. So both icons is going to be used there. So whatever you select is what's going to show up in this icons on your desktop. So that's what it looks like whenever you take and select your icons. Now we go to affiliate. This is Alter course video training affiliate that I'm with. When you go join, you're going to get a URL. I'll show you what it's going to be. Just like it's there. What's going to be, it's your number or your words or whatever you use when you sign up for is going to be your affiliate. This is all you're going to be needing. All you're going to be needing is just to the dot of the HTML. This is a website that you're going to be sending your customers to, but you don't need all that in that. The software already has the URL, so all you need to do is just take and copy that, and then when you put it in here, just take and paste that in. That's all you need to do. Software will send your customers to that to your website page, and when they sign up, it will take off whatever the URL the ID of whatever you use. Now we have a welcome page here. Now the welcome page that you can use. I'll go back. I need to go back on, but let's finish this up here. This is what that I've already put in here for demonstration wise. This is going to be empty. This is going to be for you to take and fill in yourself whatever you want to be promoting. Your website, or you're going to be promoting a ClickBank product, or whatever you want to do. This is for you to fill out. This is going to be the welcome page that is whenever your customer or your affiliate or your client opens up the software, this is what they're first going to see. And you can take and then set it up. Now, this is like what you see, what you get, a program on it, and you got all your stuff up here, and you got different whatever's on your computer on the softwares on the front. You can take and do the background if you want a plain background, or if you want a color background. This is going to be a background. This is going to be a highlight. This is going to be the color of the front you want, and this is going to be the picture that you want to bring in, which is going to be a banner, or you can have a background picture, or whatever you want to do. You bring in. That's up to you, and you can take in and highlight. If you want someone to go somewhere, like this is the support ticket here. You can take and highlight it, and then that'll take and give you the URL where it'd be a clickable URL. in this stage right here, when you work on it, it's not clickable. So, but